Are you trying to give up on your channel because it's not giving you the views that you want? I know how it feels. I know how it means for you to put in more effort on your videos and it's not going well. It's very, very frustrating, okay? After uploading your hashtag, your thumbnails, your everything, and you still come back to your channel and you see that there is no views, it's not giving you the views that you want, you're not having the subscribers that you want after those sleepless nights, after wasting of subscriptions to make sure you put in more effort on your videos and still it's not coming, it's not giving you that right thing that you want. Don't worry, because in this video you will learn how to be more secure, more visible, and enable more features using our Google Chrome browser, okay, on our YouTube dashboard. So let's dive in. Dashboard on Chrome browser. Then you come to settings. So when you come to settings, under settings you see channel, you see upload default, okay? So you come to channel, click on channel. On this channel, you take it under basic info, you see your country of residence and keywords, okay? So in this country of residence, it's very, very advisable and very important that you put your country of residence, where you are. If you're in Nigeria, make sure you put Nigeria, because if you put other states where you want to apply for the monetization, it will bring issues, okay? So to avoid that, just put it on your country of residence. And this keyword simplifies what your niche is all about. If your niche is about YouTube growth, your niche is about skincare, whatever it is, and those big people, those big channels that you are looking up to, that also in the same niche that you are, you can also drop their names here and also your niche, okay, your keywords. That's what it means here. All right, so when you are done with this, you save it below, okay? Then you come to your advanced settings. Then this advanced settings, you will know if your channel is made for kids, you make it known here. If it's not made for kids, you also make it known here. And let me tell you one thing you don't know: if you make your channel for kids, your channel will not be able to use for sponsor ads, like those videos that you watch, those big YouTubers or those monetized channel that you watch, and you see those sponsored ads that always pop up in the videos. Your videos will not be eligible for that. Why? Because it's for kids, okay? So I advise you to put it not meant for kids, okay? And it's very, very well beneficial for you. Then this auto caption, you have to click it, okay? Yes, that's what you have to do. And these clips also, allow it by clicking it, okay? Yes, that's that for that. So when you are done with this, you make sure you save and you click on feature eligibility. This three interface is very, very important, okay? Make sure you enable this three interface, as you can see here. The first one is standard features that will enable you to upload videos, create playlists, and add collaboration and new videos to your playlist. Then the second one is intermediate features, which is it will enable you to upload more than 50 minutes video and your custom thumbnails and live streaming, okay? Make sure you enable this also. Then the third one is the advanced features. It will help you to increase daily video upload and live stream and eligibility for monetization, okay? Make sure you apply all this. When you are done, save it, and that's that for that. So what you are going to do next is what? You click on your upload default. You click on upload default. But then under this basic info, you see your title, you see your description, and in this description you can put your message, what your channel is about. You can also add up your emails, add up links of your videos that you want that you want to go viral, that you want people to see. And also in this visibility, you can put public, you can put unlisted, whichever one that you want. You understand why you put it on unlisted is because when you want to upload your videos, before you finish setting up your videos, then after setting up before you finish setting up your videos, you put it on unlisted. Then after setting up your videos, then you can put it on public so that it will go viral, okay? Then under this tag, you see what your channel is made for, your niche on your channel. That's what you tag here, what it means. Is it about growth of a YouTube channel? Is it about affiliate marketing? Is it about DIY tutorials? Is it about skincare? Whatever that you know your niche is, make sure you put it here, okay? And you save. Yes, like I've done, okay? Then the last but not the least, let's go to our customization, okay? You see this left corner, you see this magic sign here, second to the last. Yes, so click on it, customization. You click on your customization, and under this customization, you see your banner image, you see your pictures, you see your name and your handle, okay? So this banner image, it means your banner, what people will see when they come to your channel, okay? Make sure you put your banner there. That will attract more people to your channel. And also your picture, you can put yourself, your personal picture, or you can put your brand photo there, okay, or you can put the product that you are selling there, okay. If you want to remove them and change them, it's allowed. You can remove or you can change, okay. Then the name, you say choose a channel name that represents you and your content, okay. Changes made to your name and pictures are visible on your YouTube and not other Google services, okay. So in this name, you have to put your name that you are known with for your channel, okay. You can put your name that you want, and if you want to change it, you can also come here and change it, okay. And do not forget to publish it to save, okay. Then your handle, you choose your handle by adding letters and numbers. You can change your handle back within 14 days, okay. So this is your handle place where you can put your handle, okay, that will represent you on your YouTube channel. And in this description, like I said earlier, the previous under the upload default, your description matters a lot, okay. Make sure you put your description that will describe what your channel is about, okay. Make sure you put these things. You see what I do in my channel? I talk about YouTube growth, skincare, tutorial, fertility updates, parenting tips, lifestyle, and many more, okay. So these are what you need to do in your description box. It's very, very important. And your channel URL, make sure your channel URL is your YouTube URL. Then your contact info, this contact info, make sure is different from the one you put for your email, okay. Make sure it's for your business, so that in case anybody that want to come and message you privately for masterclass, for other business activities, they can be able to reach you with that email, okay. Then this video watermark is very, very important, and make sure you put it at the end of your video, or entire video, or custom start time, okay. So it's depending on you, but for me, I drop it at the entire video, okay. It will help you in case those people that use this other people's video for their channel, okay. And sometimes they can also report you to YouTube that you are using their channel. So with this custom watermark, it will help you to make your channel be on the safe line, okay. So if you find this video helpful, please do well to subscribe, share, like, okay. Thank you guys. Bye.